Alright, so let's talk about the affiliate funnel. Now, first of all, if you don't know what a funnel is, it's basically a system or a strategy of trying to get leads into your business, and you're trying to close a sale during the process and also building a relationship during this process. And a funnel is used by both offline and online businesses. Now, in the internet marketing world, a typical internet marketing funnel will look like this. It'll be a squeeze page or a landing page that a lead will first see. And this is where you offer them something for free in return for their email address. Okay, and this free gift can be anything. It can be a free ebook, a software, a checklist, free video. And if you don't like creating products, you could always hire someone to do it for you, or you can just buy the rights to a product. You could buy the giveaway rights, the resale rights, or the private label rights. Okay, or you actually don't even have to buy. A lot of these rights are offered for free. You can just do a Google search for PLR or giveaway rights or resale rights. Okay, and after they sign up for the free gift, they'll automatically be brought to a page where you offer them something for sale, something related to the free product. And then after, if they do decide to purchase that product, they'll be brought to another page, which is called an upsell page, where you could try to sell them another product related to the other products in your funnel. And some funnels can have several upsells. For me personally, I feel comfortable just having two or three upsells. You could also have a downsell where if someone uh, turns down or rejects your upsell, they'll be offered a downsell offer, which is basically for the same product but at a lower price point and with just less benefits. So, for example, they just won't get the bonuses that were offered in the original upsell offer. Now, the problem with building funnels is that it is time consuming. So that's what's great about affiliate funnels. The quickest way to monetize a funnel is just to promote affiliate products in the funnel, and you don't have to worry about creating products, and also you don't even have to worry about the customer support because you're promoting someone else's product. And if you're an affiliate marketer, this is what you should be doing anyways, because it's a lot more effective than driving traffic directly to affiliate offers. And besides, it usually takes several exposures to an offer before someone buys. So by collecting leads, you can follow up with them and send them more follow-ups and increase your conversions. Now, to increase your chances of success with this type of funnel, you should try to have a consistent theme throughout the funnel. So, for example, your squeeze page should look like the affiliate products sales page and have the same headline and bullet points. You should also have a bridge page that again has text similar to that of the sales page. I'll show you an example of a bridge page in a later video. Your goal should be that whenever you drive traffic to your funnel, you should be getting affiliate sales. You can then reinvest your profits back into buying more traffic, and as a result, continue to build your list. Now, if you're getting a lot of opt-ins, but your affiliate offer is not converting, then it may be time to change the affiliate's offer. Okay. However, if things are going great, you don't really have to change things. It's always good to improve on your funnel as well. So when you have time, you can add your own upsells to the funnel. Okay, so you could create a product that's related to the affiliate offer and sell it in one of the upsells. You can even just use a private label rights product for the upsell. If you don't know what private label rights is, or PLR, basically these are products that you can buy, and you have the right to edit the content and also claim yourself as the author of the product. And gradually over time, you can add more offers to the funnel and to your back end, such as in your autoresponder follow-ups, to increase the customer value and your cash flow. Now that we have an affiliate product to promote in our funnel, what we're going to do is we're going to take parts of the sales page of that affiliate product and copy it onto our squeeze page so that we have a consistent theme. So what I'm going to do here is on the sales page of this affiliate product, I'm going to copy the headline, the pre-headline, and I'm also going to take some of these screenshots of how much money have been earned. Okay, so here is the squeeze page that I've quickly created. For this squeeze page, I use ClickFunnels, which is a great tool that I highly recommend. If you cannot afford it, there are many other cheap tools online, and you could even create a squeeze page for free. But for this example, I'm using ClickFunnels, and I was able to create it in a few minutes. I copied and pasted the headlines. As you can see here, there's an opt-in form here already, and I've pasted on the text where it says, look how much money we're making with the profiteer system, and I've put the images of the earnings on the bottom. Okay, so when somebody opts in here, they're going to be brought to a page called the bridge page. Okay, so it's going to say, thanks for signing up, John Smith here, or whatever your name is. It says, I look forward to helping you in your online journey. If you have any questions, you can reach me at, insert your email address here. And it says, in the meantime, make sure to sign up for my Facebook mastermind group so I can personally help you better. And here is a link to the Facebook mastermind group. Now, this is completely optional, but the advantage of having a Facebook mastermind group is that your subscribers will get to know you better and they'll be able to engage better. And as a result of that, when you promote affiliate products to them in the future, they're more likely to click on your emails and click on your links. Okay, but again, this is optional, and if you don't want to do a Facebook mastermind group, you could do something else similar to that. For example, if you have a blog, you could say check out my blog or check out my blog post on this, and so on. Okay, and on the bottom of this, again, I pasted the headlines of the sales page. Okay, it says bank and effortless, $150 per day. And here I have a button to click to continue. So there's a link here. It's my affiliate link. So when people click on this, they'll be brought to the official sales page of the affiliate product. And if they do buy, I will get commissions. Okay, and again, if you keep scrolling down, again, I pasted parts of the sales page here, and again, there's a button here. Click here to continue, and if you click on that, it will direct them to the affiliate product. Now that you have a funnel, let's start driving traffic to it. There are several types of traffic sources out there, and so in this video, I'm just going to go through a couple of them. My favorite traffic method at the moment is solo ads. For those who don't know, a solo ad is when you pay another marketer to promote your offer to their list of subscribers. So they will email their list and promote your offer. You could buy a solo ad for 100 clicks, 50 clicks, 200 clicks, or even 1,000 clicks and more, depending on how much you can afford. My favorite place for finding solo ad vendors or solo ad sellers is on udemy.com. There are other websites and networks out there where you could find solo ad vendors, and you could even find some on Facebook. I'm sure there's Facebook groups out there where you could find solo ad vendors. You could also go on Google and just try to find other product sellers or just website owners that are in your niche and see if they have, or contact them and ask them if they have an email list that they can promote your offer to. Okay, another site you could go to is clickbank.com. Clickbank.com is an affiliate network, but you could contact product owners there and ask them if they can do a solo ad with you, because with ClickBank, you know that these people are building a buyer's list, and the buyer's list is 5 to 10 times more responsive than a list of freebie seekers. Okay. Now, if you cannot afford solo ads, you can use free traffic methods such as social media. I'm sure most of people nowadays are in social media. You could use Facebook, Twitter, etc., and try to get a viral post going. Okay. Lastly, the last traffic method I want to talk about is blogging. Just set up a blog. You can set up a free blog using free tools out there. You could also set up a nice blog if you want to pay for a domain and just install WordPress. Okay, so set up a blog daily, every couple of days, or even just on a weekly basis, and eventually you'll have a following, and you could build a list through blogging. You could have links to that link to your affiliate funnel. Now here I am on warriorplus.com. This is a great site for finding affiliate products in the internet marketing niche and the make money online niche. So since I'm building a funnel that is related to making money online, and I'm looking for something that has mass appeal for the general public, I would go to this site. This is my favorite site for finding products related to making money online. So if you want to look for products on here, you could just find the top products here on the home page, the top 10 products of the day, yesterday, last 7 days, and also the last 30 days. So let's click on that. Okay, but what I prefer is I like to go to affiliates, click on that, and click on offers. Okay, and then you're brought to a page with all the products, the top selling products. It's sorted by the top selling. I'm actually not sure how it's sorted here, but you could sort it out by sales, conversion rate, visitor value, and let's just go down here. There's about 5,000 results that you could go through and browse. Okay, by just looking at the top here, profit here, it was launched on July 22, so that would be last month, so it's not too old of an offer. Over 3,000 sales, conversion rate 15%, visitor value $3.69. So all these are good numbers, and I like the fact that it's not an old product. Refund rate is 3%. That's not bad as well. Okay, I could go down the list here, but let's just say I'm going to go with this offer here, profit here. Click on this. First, I'd have to try to learn more about it. Let's see what it says here. This is the affiliate page. So you click here to request approval. You can view the sales page here, and here's a quick description of the product. Make consistent 3+ figure daily profits and scale as high as you want without paid traffic or any tech skills. So this is something that I feel would be of interest to the general public and would have a mass appeal. Okay, so if I want any promotional tools, I would go to the JV page. Okay, and let's just click on this. Okay, I'm also going to view the sales page just to make sure it's something that I would want to promote, and just to get an idea of what the angle is. So let's look at the headline here. It says bank an effortless $150 per day starting in as little as 24 hours from right now without paid traffic or any experience. So again, this looks like something that would have mass appeal. People who are looking to make money online and have no experience would probably be interested in a product such as this. It says here, fast, start making $150 per day. So who wouldn't be interested in making money online quickly? Okay, and it says friendly, zero experience or tech skills needed. So if I feel this is the product I'm going to go ahead and add to my funnel, I'm just going to go to the affiliate page here and click on request approval. Okay, and another thing too is you could also see all the products that are in this funnel that you're going to be promoting. Okay, you're getting 100% commissions on the front end, which is $12.94, and then you can see all these other offers that you can get paid commissions on. Okay, so not only does it have mass appeal, but it looks like it's something that I could get paid a lot of commissions on. So I'm going to go ahead and click on request approval. Now that you have traffic coming to your funnel and you're building a list of subscribers, it's time to start promoting affiliate offers to your subscribers. But first, make sure that you set up a series of automated emails that go to your subscribers immediately after they subscribe. So, for example, on day one, they could have a thank you email and provide a link to your blog or Facebook mastermind group or whatever it is so that they can get to know you better. Okay, so you want to start off on the right foot with your new subscribers. And then you could have an email come out on the second day after they subscribed, and which is basically a follow-up asking them if they've checked out that affiliate product that you recommended in your affiliate funnel. Okay, and then day number three, you could send out an email, an automated email that provides some tips. So you could alternate every other day. You could have one day where you provide content, and the next day could be a follow up recommending that they check out that affiliate offer in your funnel. So you'd want to have anywhere between 5 to 10 of these emails in your autoresponder. Now, if you don't have an autoresponder account, what I recommend is GetResponse. I've been using GetResponse since I started internet marketing. Another autoresponder company that you could use is Aweber. That's one of the top autoresponder companies as well. And there are several others that you could use. So you could just do your research, test them out, and some of these companies do offer free trials. But for now, I recommend GetResponse. After your subscribers have received all of your automated emails, you could start promoting new affiliate offers to them. And for that, I would recommend going to munchai.com to find upcoming product launches. If you're not sure of how to write promotional emails or you're not confident, for now you could just subscribe to other marketers lists so that you could receive their emails and you could see how they write their emails, and then you could get ideas and maybe copy the way that they write the promotional emails. But make sure that you have your own personality in your emails. A lot of people who are new to affiliate marketing and email marketing often ask, how often should they email their list? And it depends on who you ask, you'll get different answers. For me personally, I do try to email my list every day because I look at it like you could compare it to a hotel business. If you have a hotel, you want to make sure that all your rooms are booked every day. If one of your rooms or suites is vacant, you're losing money. So that's the way I look at my email list. If I have a day where I don't send out an email promoting something, I feel like I'm losing money on that day. Of course, if I don't find any good quality products to promote, if I can't find anything that's worth promoting, I just won't send anything on that day. But even then, I could try to send a follow-up email for another affiliate offer that I promoted the previous day or earlier in the week. Thank you for taking the time to check out this course. I created this course for anybody that's interested in affiliate marketing and also for people who are interested in building a list. And what I'm going to be talking about today is the affiliate funnel. You may have heard about it, but what I've noticed is that a lot of people who build affiliate funnels don't do it properly. So I'm going to be talking about how to do it properly in this course, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of building it. Now, if you don't know what an affiliate funnel is or even what a funnel is, don't worry. I'll be talking about that in the following video. In the later videos, I'm also going to show you how to drive traffic to your funnel and also how to promote affiliate products to your list and how to scale up. So with that said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.